Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make SHIRINI KESHMESHI, which is a Persian raisin cookie, and it's now actually Nowruz, which is the Persian New Year in March. We're celebrating it right now. It's for 13 days, and we're making a whole bunch of different Persian recipes, so please check out all those videos on our YouTube channel. This one is also with saffron, so this is a very exciting. We're going to have vanilla, butter, sugar, flour, raisins, light brown sugar, salt, and eggs. I'm gonna get everything mise en place and I'll show you how to make it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you. Here I have a 1/4 teaspoon of our saffron, and just with the back of a spoon, or if you have a mortar and pestle, you're gonna crush these threads. We wanna crush them up until we get a nice fine powder. So just keep on crushing that until you get them all. There you go, you have a nice fine little powder, and to this we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of hot water. And you see the bright color that's coming out? So we're just going to let this set aside and soak for a while we're getting everything else measured. Our raisins are not as plump and moist as I would like, so we are going to rehydrate them. We have our 2 cups or 8 ounces, and what you're going to do is you're going to put it into a liquid measuring cup or any microwave safe vessel that you can top up with water. We're going to put these in. We're going to cover it with cold water, put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to strain them and then blot them dry with paper towel. I have all my mise en place ready, and when your butter is soft at room temperature, you should be able to do it like this. If you can squeeze your butter like this, then it's soft enough to start making the cookies. So we're going to put it in. I already have my other 2 sticks in here, and we're going to paddle this until it's soft. Once you see that your butter is nice and soft, we're now going to add in our 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and we're going to mix that until it gets light and fluffy. I'm going to do it on low speed. Before adding in our brown sugar, our 1 cup of brown sugar, we want to scrape down the sides of the bowl and the paddle attachment to make sure that all of our ingredients are incorporated evenly. Now that that's scraped down, just add in your light brown sugar, and again on low speed. Again, before you add in the eggs, you want to scrape down the paddle and the sides of the bowl to make sure you get all the ingredients up off the sides of the bowl, and then we're going to add 1 egg at a time. So just, if you get 2, it's okay. But what we want to do is we want to make sure that that egg is incorporated before we add the next one. All of our egg has been incorporated. Now we know we can add the next one. So we're just going to let that fall in. And again, continue to mix until combined. While our eggs are mixing in, we're going to add in our salt to the flour and just stir that up. Once you see that your eggs have been all incorporated, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of our vanilla, and we are going to add in the saffron. So make sure you get every little bit of the saffron into the mixture. That's where all that beautiful color comes from and the wonderful flavor. So we're going to mix this in on low speed again. See those beautiful colors mixing in? All right, so now we're going to add in all of the flour to our bowl as well. Get all of that in there, and we're going to mix it again on low speed. And if you put it on high speed, you're going to get that flour all over the counter, so make sure it's on low speed. Before it's completely mixed in, we are going to add in our raisins. So I'm going to stop it right now. And now our raisins that I already rehydrated and I blotted dry with the paper towel, we're going to add those into our mixture. And now we can stir it in again, always on low speed so you don't have a mess everywhere. And when I see that it's completely incorporated, I'll stop mixing. Here we go, here is our finished cookie dough, and I'm just going to scrape it into a bowl so it's easier to scoop out onto the cookie sheet. Here's our batter, and I'm going to bake them on a baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper, and I have 3 different size cookie scoops. So I'm going to use the smallest one because I've got to feed a lot of people with it. And we're just going to put them onto our parchment paper. And when we're doing that, I want to stagger them so that they'll bake evenly. So I'll do 3 and then 1 and 2. So that way they will bake evenly. And we must rotate them in the oven. So I'm going to set the oven for 6 minutes, rotate it, and then we'll check and see how much longer it takes to bake at 325 degrees. And we're looking for a light golden brown on the edges. This is what you're looking for when they come out of the oven. You want that nice light golden brown edge on the cookie. And this was in the 325 degree oven, 6 minutes. I rotated it and then another 6 minutes. And let's just see how the bottom looks. There you go. You want a very light golden brown around the edge. And now this is done. It's still got to cool and then I can taste it. Here are our beautiful SHIRINI KESHMESHI Persian Raisin cookies. They are so delicious, very low sugar, not too sweet, and that saffron taste is very subtle. This would be great if you dunk it in a cup of tea. I hope you are inspired to make it at home. Thank you everybody for watching our video, and please check out all the rest of our recipes on our YouTube channel. Thanks. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.